Hello, your minds. You are welcome to today's lesson. Today, we shall discuss Pythagoras triples. What are Pythagoras triples? Pythagoras triples are three numbers that obey the Pythagoras theorem. And this is the formula we are going to use to determine the three numbers. The first number, n. The nth number can either be an odd number or an even number. Now, in today's lesson, I shall use only the odd numbers. Why? Even numbers can be used, but we'll be getting decimals in our answers. So for us to get whole numbers, we have to use odd numbers. That is why I'll use odd numbers for today. And then the second term will be n to the exponent 2 minus 1 divided by 2. And the third term will be n to the exponent 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So, when n is 3, then the first term will be 3 because n will be 3. The second term, which is n squared minus 1 divided by 2, will be 3 squared minus 1 divided by 2. So 3 squared minus 1, 3 squared is 3 times 3. So 3 squared will give us 9, which is 3 times 3, minus 1 divided by 2. So 9 minus 1 will give us 8 divided by 2, and that will be 4. The third term, which is n squared plus 1 divided by 2, will become 3 squared. In all, we are using the first number, because if n is 3, then here n will also be 3, here n will also be 3. Plus 1 divided by 2. 3 squared is 3 times 3, and that will give us 9, plus 1 divided by 2. So 9 plus 1 will give us 10 divided by 2, and 10 divided by 2 will be 5. So if the first number is 3, so if the first term is 3, then the second term is 4, and the third term will be 5. So these are the Pythagoras triples when the first number is 3. Now when the first number becomes 5, then the first term will be 5. To determine the second term, we will square the first term minus 1 divided by 2. And 5 exponent 2 is 5 times 5, which is 25, minus 1 divided by 2. So 25 minus 1 will give us 24 divided by 2. So 24 divided by 2 will give us 12. Now let's determine the third term. The third term will also be the first term squared plus 1 divided by 2. And 5 exponent 2, 5 times 5, 25, plus 1 divided by 2. So 25 plus 1 will give us 26 divided by 2. And 26 divided by 2, 13. So if the first term 5, then the second term will be 12, and the third term will be 13. So this will be the Pythagoras triples when the first term is 5. I will entreat you to try your hands when the first term is 7. Use this formula to determine the second term and the third term. Thank you very much for paying attention. If you have not subscribed, please do. Tell a friend to subscribe so that we all learn. Bye-bye.